Hi darlings, my name is Prayag. In this video we are going to discuss about DicotRoot. The root is a organs of the plant that typically lie below the surface of the soil, but in some plants the roots also lie above the soil. But in majority cases the roots are lie below the soil and absorbs water, inorganic nutrients from soil and supplies to the plant body. These roots also stores food and gives support to the plant body. If we see the transverse section of the DicotRoot, we find the outermost layer epidermis. This epidermis is also known as the epiblema. Next, on the epidermis, some epidermal cells grows out in the form of air known as the root hairs. These root hairs are unicellular. Next to the epidermis is the several layers of thin walled parenchymatic cells known as the cortex regions. These parenchymatic cells have intercellular spaces, and next to the cortex is the endodermis. The layer which is drawn in the red color is the endodermis. This endodermis, the innermost layer of the cortex region is the endodermis. The layer which is drawn in the red color is the endodermis. This endodermis consists of single layer of barrel-shaped cells. Barrel-shaped means both the two sides are narrow and central shape is bulged. These shaped cells are known as barrel-shaped cells without intercellular spaces. These barrel-shaped cells have the deposition of water-impermeable waxy material substance called as subaerian. This subaerian layer is known as the Caspian trips. Due to these Caspian trips, the water does not enter into the vascular bundles. But some cells of the endodermis doesn't contain the subaerian layers and are known as the passage cells. These allow the water to enter into the vascular bundles. Next to the endodermis is the layer known as the pericycle, which is made up of the thick walled parenchymatic cells. Some cells of the pericycle become meristematic and develop the secondary xylem and secondary phloem, and some cells also form the cambium and also gives rise to the lateral roots. The pericycle is the reason why the secondary growth takes place. And in dicot plants, the vascular bundles are very less, and these vascular bundles are radial type. Radial means both phloem and xylem won't present in the same radii, they present on the different radii. And vascular bundles are exarch condition. Exarch means the protoxylem, which is postformed xylem, is present towards the outside or towards the endodermis, and the metaxylem is the later formed or secondary formed xylem is present towards the inner side. And the vascular bundles are conjoint open type. Conjoint open type means between the phloem and the xylem, the cambium ring is present. The centermost layer is the pith. The pith in the dicot roots is not well developed, but some present. In between the phloem and xylem, some parenchymatic cells are present, and these are known as the conjunctive tissue. All the tissues on inner side of the endodermis, that is the pericycle, the xylem and phloem, that is vascular bundles, and the pith, are together known as the stelae.